What what is sublimation and how we need to
Good
do
morning, sir.
understanding, and what is the opposite to the sublimation and all will study. So if it comes to here sublimation, as we know that when we are converting from solid to liquid, what we should call what we should call melting, as well as from liquid to gas we used to call it as boiling. So most of the solid substances when we are converting, when we heat it, first they will change into liquid state, later only they will state into vapor state. Is it yes or no? For example, if you take ice, so first if you are converting, if you are heating, it will converting into water, so later only it is changing into gas. Is it yes or no? Speak your communication. So this is what happening the
Yes,
process.
sir.
As we know
Yes,
that
sir.
ice to water we used to call it as melting, understand, as well as water to gas we used to call it as boiling. So this is what we have studied. Now, what is under sublimation means, remember. So as we know that in normal process, most of the solid substances it will take, first they will convert into liquid. Liquid is only converting into gas. So, but there are few solid substances, understanding, which change directly into vapors on heating, and the vapors give back directly solid substances on cooling. So that is only called as sublimation. Means particularly few substances, they will never form liquid state. They will never form liquid state. So if we start heating, understand, if we start heating, directly they will form water. They will form gas state.
Yes.
Yes.
And again, if we start cooling, if we start heating, it will form gas state. Again, if we start cooling, it will form solid.
Solid.
Forming liquid. That is the most important. Without forming liquid is only known as sublimation. So, when a solid is directly converting into gas without forming liquid is only known as sublimation. And also a gas is directly converting to solid without forming liquid is also we can call it as sublimation only. But we have another name for this process alone. This is called as sublimation, and this is called as deposition. So both also you can call it as sublimation, but we have some variation, so that I am writing as deposition. Do you understand, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is only called as sublimation. So sublimation means what you can understand. So a solid substance directly converting into gas without forming on heating, and as well as gas is directly converting into solid without by cooling without forming liquid is only known as deposition. Now, for example, let us take, so we are all familiar with, understand, let us take now carbon dioxide. Do you know carbon dioxide, Ram? How many of you
Yes,
know
sir.
carbon dioxide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So actually, if you cool the carbon dioxide, if you try to bring it into solid state, yes, we can make it at minus 72 degrees Celsius. Carbon dioxide will become into solid state. So now, what we will do here means in the sense of, if you cool the temperature directly, so there is no kind of liquid carbon dioxide. No liquid CO2 will form. So directly it will form a solid CO2. So this solid CO2 only we should call as dry ice. What we should call, Ram? What we
Dry
should
ice.
call? Dry ice. So if we start cooling, then directly a gas CO2 gas directly converting into dry ice. So dry ice means not normal ice. Dry ice means it is what? A solid form of
Carbon dioxide.
solid form of carbon dioxide. That is what is.
Dioxide.
So here there is no liquid is forming, so that I can call it as a sublimation product. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. And as well as same way, suppose I have a dry ice. I have a dry ice. Like in movies and all, they will produce the smoke. Do you remember while the songs and all, they will produce the smoke?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
with the help of this dry ice only. So this dry ice, if it will mix with the normal water, then it will becomes like a fumes. Fumes in the sense of like clouds, it will flow. So that is only, if it dry ice, if it will start heating in the sense of normally, then it will be directly converting into CO2 gas. So that is why this process is called as sublimation. And you remember two more words I will use here. a substance, understanding, a solid substance which undergoes the sublimation is called as sublimine. Understanding, sublime. The solid substance which undergo the sublimation is called as sublime. What we should call?
Sublime.
Sublime. And the solid substance which is obtaining by cooling, understanding, cooling the vapors of a solid is called as sublimate. What we should call?
Sublimate.
Means a solid is converting into gas is called as sublime, and gas is converting into solid is called as sublimate. Do you understand?
Sublimate.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose for
Yes, sir.
example, if dry ice is converting into carbon dioxide gas, so that dry ice is called as what? Sublime we used to call. What we should call?
Sublime.
Sublime.
Carbon dioxide gas is converting into dry ice, then dry ice is called as sublimate. What we should call? Sublimate.
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 So these are the things which we used to call as sublimation. Sublimation means what we should remember? Directly forming solid to gas directly without forming the liquid is only known as sublimation. So particularly if we take this dry ice, stage performance and as well as any movies and all, smoke they will dance. Is it yes or no? Smoke dance. So everywhere this dry ice sublimes and heating and can be used as to create a special effects on the stage. So that is only we used to call as smoke, fog and all with the help of this carbon dioxide only. Understand? So that is only called as sublimation. So opposite to sublimation, what we should call, Ra? Opposite to sublimation, what we should
Deposition.
call? Huh?
Deposition.
Deposition.
Or else we can call it as sublimation only. Now, one more example. Do you know naphthalene balls? Now not. Our mother will keep it between the cloths. Have you noticed it? A small naphthalene balls will be present. Have you
Yes,
noticed?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So you notice that today you kept it, after 15 days or 20 days you observe that the size will become decreases or else completely also it will disappear. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No liquid is forming. Directly the solid naphthalene is converting into gas. So that we can say that naphthalene is a which substance? Dharan. Tamil Selvan. Naphthalene is also a
Deposition.
naphthalene is also a sublimation.
Sublime.
Solid to gas, sir. Manya, not deposition. Solid to gas it is forming. Solid substance to gas it is forming. So that we used to call it as sublimation without forming any kind of liquid. So that is only called as understanding sublimation. So those who are unable to difficult, they remember the deposition for both the purposes. We people can use always sublimation.
Sublimation.
Understand? That is even better for you. So now, for example, you can see few more so many is there. Understand? Anthracene, one chemical is there, one chemical compound. So that is also
Sir, camphor.
camphor, anthracene, iodine, chlorine, ammonium chloride, not chlorine, ammonium chloride. These all are examples of sublimate products. Understand? So now let us see how we can convert this one. Suppose for example, how we can convert this sublimation of ammonium chloride. If you want to get sublimation of ammonium chloride, in our textbook they have given, in chapter 2 it will come. But okay, chapter 1 itself I will teach you that. So let us discuss the diagram. First, before that, you should write what is sublimation and all. Write all of you. Sublimation. Sublimation. Keep heading. Sublimation. And as well as opposite, what you can keep, Ra? Sublimation and you can write deposition. Deposition. Both are same, but opposite process. Sublimation and deposition. Right. The changing of solid directly. The changing of solid directly. The changing of solid directly. The changing of solid directly into vapors. The changing of solids in solids. Manya, is it okay, Manya? Can I enter so a little bit slow more? The changing of solid directly into vapors. The changing of solids directly into vapors on heating is known as sublimation. is known as sublimation. Is known as sublimation. And the vapors into solid means reverse process. And the vapors into solid and the vapors into solid on cooling, the vapors into solid on cooling without forming liquid. This is the most important thing. Without forming liquid is known as deposition. So now you can write solid. First one is what, Ra? Sublimation. Sublimation on what? On heating. Understand? So which way is to get what? Gas. Next, reverse. Deposition. This is what? Cooling. So that's it. So all of you should write. Two arrows should come. One is forward or one is backward. Do you understand? All of you. So gas are also we can put vapors.
Sir.
Vapors. Note it down. Examples. These examples we can study even more clearly in chapter 2. There we are having a separation of sublimate products. By the time we will study. So examples. So and also you can see when we are converting from solid. Okay, first examples you write. Examples. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Iodine. Ammonium chloride, iodine. Camphor. Naphthalene. Understanding? NaPH. Naphthalene. Manya, are you writing Manya? You said yesterday or not writing? Naphthalene or anthracene. ANTH. Manya. RACENE. Anthracene. So these are the examples of this one. Okay, wow. And also carbon dioxide. That is I forgot. Carbon dioxide. Okay, Ra? Now here two words you should use. So what is the two words? One is sublime and another one is sublimate. Okay, wow. So now, right. Sublime. After this you write sublime. Sublime. Yes,
Sir,
you.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. I will wait. Sublime. Write it. If we have all of you write neatly, so that is only called as sublimation and also opposite to that deposition. So after that you can keep adding sublime. Sublime. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Others? Girls? Alana? So next.
Return say.
Sublime. Sublime. Right. Right. The solid substance, a solid substance which undergoes sublimation. A solid substance which undergoes sublimation. Which undergoes sublimation is known as sublime. Is known as sublime. Next, sublimate. Sublimate. Sublimate.
Sir, a solid substance which undergoes.
Which undergoes sublimation. A solid substance which undergoes sublimation is known as sublime. Okay. Next, sublimate. Sublimate. So here main thing you should remember, sublimation or deposition without passing through the liquid state. That is the most important thing. Do you understand, Ra? No kind of liquid state will form in this case. So then only we used to call it as sublimation or deposition. Directly changes into solid to gas or gas to solid. Do you understand, Ra? So that is only
Yes,
called
sir.
as sublimation and deposition without forming liquid state. So now sublimate, right? Sublimate. A solid obtained by cooling the vapors. A solid or is the solid obtained by cooling the vapors of the solid is called a sublimate. All of you should note it down. Is called a sublimate. Do you understand, Ra? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir.
So as we know that,
Yes, sir.
for example, so carbon dioxide solid state, what we should call?
Dry
Solid
ice.
carbon dioxide sublimes to form
Sir,
carbon
dry.
dioxide gas. Again, carbon dioxide gas, what we used to call that? A solid carbon dioxide. We have a name for that.
Dry ice.
Dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide we used to call it as dry ice. All of you should remember. Dry ice converting into sublimation. Sublimation between converting into CO2 gas. Now reverse to it. Deposition. It will be again converting into dry ice. So this is the example. All of you note it down. Any doubt? Anybody you can ask.
No, sir.
Now, so this is all about understanding all the states of matter. Is there any doubt? Anybody you can ask me. So this is the change of temperature, effect of change of temperature. Sir, dry ice will change into CO2 only, no sir. Yes, Amma. Dry ice will change it into CO2 only. Yes, Laksha. So now you can see here, this is what because of increasing temperature or decreasing temperature, we can convert a solid state to liquid state to gaseous state, or solid state directly into the gaseous state. So that is what is all the process: boiling, melting, sublimation, and all. Now, understanding with this all the processes, we people will represent in a one triangular form so that we can understand more even easily. So now let us see how to represent. First, you can take the three states of matter. What is the three states of matter? Anybody? What is the
Solid,
three states of
liquid,
matter?
gas.
Solid liquid
Solid
gas.
liquid gas.
And gas. Now, if you have a scale, all of you, if you have scale and pen, you can take like that. Gas, all of you should take gas. Next, here you should take solid, and here you should take liquid, like a triangle. Like a triangle, all of you. Now, let us take, as we know that starts with the solid first. Now, solid to liquid, what we should call, Ra? Please. Solid to liquid,
Melting.
what we should call?
Melting, sir.
Melting.
Fusion.
Understand? Now, liquid to solid, what we should call? Freezing.
Freezing.
Now, liquid to gas, what we should call? Liquid to gas, what we should call? Boiling.
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 Boiling. Or also we can call it as what? Vaporization. Or else naturally the liquid is converting into gas. That process is called as evaporation. What we should
Evaporation.
evaporation. See, this is boiling is nature done by humans. We have to provide heat energy. Evaporation is by nature, it will take place. That is next gas. gas to liquid, what we should call? Laksha.
Condensation.
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 Condensation. Next, solid to gas directly, what we should call? Solid to gas directly.
Sublimation.
Sublimation.
Sublimation. Sublimation. Now, gas to solid, what we should call? Deposition.
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 So this is the a triangle. Understand? States of matter triangle it is. Understand? You can keep this name as states of matter. States of matter. Understand? Triangle. So is it understanding or not, all of you? So this is what it will, all the changes will take place because of change in temperature. Is it yes or no? Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, write it, draw this. This effects of, what is this all? Effects of change of temperature. Understanding? Due to
Matter.
temperature, it will take place. All of you should write it. Any doubt? Anything? Anybody you can ask me. So what is the example of sublimation products, Ra? What is the example of sublimation products?
Dry ice.
Dry
Dry
ice,
ice, camphor, anthracene, CO2, iodine.
and anthracene. Understand? So that is all you should remember. Nobody other speaking. Maunesh, Tamil Selvan. Understand? Yelamukil is speaking. Darun, communicate. Examples of dry. I'm asking sublimation products. Understand? Have you learned this? Completed this or not?
No, sir.
Do it. All of you do it. Tamil Selvan? No response.
Completed, sir.
With a scale, you should draw this. With a scale. Make two lines and you can draw equilateral triangle. Mohanesh, are you writing or not?
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yelamukil, do you understand all the process?
Yes, sir.
This is what all by temperature.
completed,
Change in
sir.
temperature. Understand? So next we are going to study change in, because of temperature is take place. Next step, pressure. Pressure we should check it. How the states of matter will change because of applying pressure.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Now, let us go for the next concept. All of you keep reading. Effects of change of pressure. Effects of change of pressure. Effect of change of pressure. Note it down, all of you. So temperature is over. Now with the help of pressure we should check it. Shall we start now? So okay, listen all of you first, later.
Yes, sir.
So, as we know that physical change of matter from solid to liquid or liquid to gas or other gas to liquid or liquid to solid, not only with the temperature we can change, understanding, by by changing the pressure also, we can change the physical state of matter. Understand? So by decreasing pressure or by increasing pressure, we people can change the state of matter. For example, if we take our LPG cylinder, you can see it is known as liquefied petroleum gas. When it is stored inside the cylinder, it has been highly compressed with the help of pressure so that it is in the form of liquid state. When it is coming outside, it will be converting into gaseous state. But basically, gas will be in which state, Ra? Gas will be in
Gaseous.
gaseous state only, correct or not? Particles are very, very free. But basically, because of more pressure, it has been, particles are coming close and close and close, so that it has been compressed much, and it is turns into liquid state.
Liquid.
Again, when it will come back, it will becomes what? Gaseous total. So if you are applying more and more pressure, the particles of gas can be brought so closer together, so that it will start liquefies. What is the meaning of liquefies? Means in the sense of liquid state will form. Understand? So you can observe here. Understand, gases can be changed into liquids by increasing the pressure, or by lowering the temperatures. So as well as you have to reduce the temperatures, and if you apply the more and more pressure, so that these gases can be liquefies, means it will be converting into liquid state. Understand? And some solids also can change the gases and decreasing the pressure. So for example, carbon dioxide only. Solid carbon dioxide, by applying pressure, you can take in your hand and you can crush it like this. Then also it can converting into gaseous state. So that is also example of what? Because of applying pressure only. Here I'm pressing means I'm applying the pressure, so that if I understand, if I apply the pressure, so that what will happen? It will, because of pressure, the carbon dioxide is converting into gaseous state. So here if you observe, when the gases can be liquefied, so they will release the temperature or they will absorb the temperature. Reverse process, you may remember. When it is compressed, liquefies, condensation, releasing temperature or absorbing temperature?
Releasing temperature.
Releasing temperature.
The temperature of the substance will decreases. Understand? Lowering the temperatures. So that is what we used to do it. Understand? Not all the solids can go with the understanding. We can convert into the, by applying pressure, we cannot do anything. Suppose you have an iron ball. You want to make it into liquid iron. By applying whatever the pressure, I cannot make it into liquid. Is it yes or no? Only I can make it into powder. That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
If I will hit it, I can make it into powder, but I cannot convert it into liquid state unless until I am heating it. So that is why it is not all the substances will convert into different states of matter by applying pressure. Only few liquids and as well as few solid substances, by applying pressure, they can be converting into gaseous state. So now for example, if we take gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and lowering the temperatures. So now how it will be, like our cylinder, how it is present inside, you check it. So as we know that, what is the spaces between the gas particles, Ra? Is it more or less? Spaces between the gas particles? More. So
More,
now what
more.
will happen means, if we'll apply the pressure, I will show you now with the help of pistol. Our cycle pistol, you know our cycle pistol handle, cycle pump, like this we'll press it. Is it yes or no? Every time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is also working on compression of air only, that a cycle pump also. So now you observe here, when the same amount of gas particles, I am not applying any pressure. Do you notice it? How much volume it is occupying? More volume it is occupying. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have applied little bit pressure.
Sir.
The piston. So they came close. Is it yes or no? Now, here I applied more force, more amount of pressure I applied, so that they all will be, they all becomes very close and they are liquefies also. Liquefies in the sense of they will be turning into the liquid, understanding? So that the temperature will falls. It will turns into the liquid state, so that the temperature will falls. So this is only called as change of state of gases, understanding? Converting into what? Liquid state, and also lowers the temperatures. So this is the example of that. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you have to draw this diagram.
Yes, sir.
So how you will draw?
Yes, sir.
Screenshot and you have to draw, or else now itself you can draw. But write the heading. Gases can be liquefied. Gases can be liquefied. Gases
Sir,
can
this is heading or definition?
heading. Gases can be liquefied by applying pressure gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and lowering temperature. Gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and lowering temperature. You can draw these three diagrams. Understand? And you can write one point. I will say below this you can write 1 point. After that you can draw the diagram. Right. The physical state of matter can also be changed by changing the pressure. The physical state of matter can also be changed by changing the pressure. The physical state of matter can also be changed by changing the pressure. Example. Solid CO2 converting into
Sir,
gas.
changed by
The physical state of matter can also be changed by changing the pressure. Understand? So now, solid CO2 by increasing pressure, it can be converting into gaseous CO2. The same way, a gas of any substance can be converting into liquefies into a liquid by increasing pressure. And it will causes what? Lowers the temperature. Lowering temperature. All of you note it down. This.
Sir,
Hmm.
heading gases can be liquefied.
Gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and lowering temperature. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
So below that, you write these 2 points. See, this is under arrow should come. This is under arrow so that you can keep arrow very bigger. Is it okay, Ra? Yelamukil?
Yes, sir.
This is, now you can see. You can ask me correct. Screen is sharing. How you can write? These 2 points you should write. Solid CO2 converting by increasing pressure, converting into gaseous CO2, as well as any gas. Any gas can be liquefies by increasing pressure and lowering temperature. We can converting into liquid. This is 2 things you write. Once it is completed, you tell me.
Sir, what you wrote above the arrow mark, sir? That solid CO2, I can't see, sir. It is blur.
Increasing pressure.
Okay, sir.
Okay, va? This is by increasing pressure. Is it okay, Ra? By increasing pressure. That is. Do it. Next here, liquefies by increasing pressure and lowering temperature. Liquefies. Note it down. Completed?
No, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, do it.
Sir,
Do it. Completed? So okay, now if it's completed, you can draw this diagram neatly. Use your red. If you have red pen or sketch, use that, and or else you have black pen and blue pen, you can use anything. Or else you don't have pencil and the pen, you can use for showing the variations. Exactly, you should draw. Exactly. Take your time and you draw neatly. So here you can see here. Observe the picture, all of you first. So you have a gas. So that by applying pressure, what we are doing? Compressing. So by compressing, what is happening? So it will temperature is falls down, cooling, so that gas particles get closer. So again, much compressing. Again, I am compressing so that much more temperature will fall, so that the particles get very close to that. The gas can liquefies. Means in the sense of it will comes into the liquid state. Now again, if we'll do what? If we'll reverse the process, understand? If we'll decrease the pressure little bit, then temperature increases little bit, and it will particles, they will converting into gaseous state. Means particles get into closer but gaseous state, and again much you reduce the pressure, the temperature increases much, understanding, and the particles will come into as a gaseous state and very far each other. Do you understand, Ra? Our cylinder, while our cylinder is filling the gas, this process they will follow. Means what? Forward process. While we are using the gas, this is the process which we will follow. Understanding? While they are filling the gas cylinder. Now when we are using the cylinder in our home, we are using this one. So when you will turn the knob in our cylinder, then the gas will come up. Is it yes or no? So by that time, reverse process is taking place. While they are filling the gas stations, then the forward process is taking place. Do you understand, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
what
sir.
you should remember. Draw this. Completed?
Yes, sir.
This meeting is also going to end. Finish it. Then next meeting join.
No, sir.
Do it.